Hey guys, welcome to the Techypaw's guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your WhatsApp number from Facebook Marketplace. First of all, I would like to share with you, if you have added a WhatsApp number to your Facebook Marketplace and are getting a lot of messages from unknown sources, then this tutorial will definitely help you. Facebook Marketplace is the place where you can buy and sell any kind of goods inside your local community and can earn money. So without wasting time, let's understand how you can remove your WhatsApp number from Facebook Marketplace. After opening your Facebook, you have to open the Facebook Marketplace. There is no marketplace option, then you can access it from tapping the three horizontal lines, and from there tap on Marketplace. In the new page, you will show a marketplace and a account symbol. Just simply tap on the account symbol to go to the next step. Here you will have to tap on the commerce profile. Then just scroll down. Simply scroll it down and you will get an edit option. Tap on it and then remove number. Here you will see all the information you added will be discarded. Once you remove your WhatsApp number, it will completely remove your WhatsApp number from Facebook Marketplace. So before tapping yes, make sure that you are really removing your number from Facebook. Simply tap on yes, and after that your number will be removed. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you.